Alright, so, cooking like a dude, public episode number 1. You need some glazed donut holes, some giant roasted marshmallows, something to drink. Right now this is just pineapple juice because I'm on the clock, kinda. And you need fire, so and you need a roasting stick. Get you one of your giant marshmallows. Okay, right now this is just a theory, so I haven't put this into practice as a whole concept yet. But when you roast these marshmallows, you can pull the outside off and it makes like a cup. So I'm thinking I'm gonna put a roasted donut hole inside a roasted marshmallow. Oh, that's what I forgot. I need me a plate. Alright. Because this is gonna be a multi-stage process this way. Because it's physics. Alright. So you get your marshmallow all nice and golden brown. Wow, couldn't even see the flame, you just heard it. Guess I'll get a little char on it. The main thing is to try to get this outside harder so it'll come off as a cup. Yeah, see, marshmallows and flames don't work great. So I might have to build my fire a little better on the next go around. But you get the edges kind of crisped up. Okay. You take that. Big as a pocket. Let that cool. You could get about 4 good roasts out of one of these giant marshmallows. It's a little smoky because the wood is wet and there ain't a lot of breeze. This inside one doesn't do the cup thing as good because it's gooier. Get your donut hole. See how it already changed color a little bit because the glaze melted into just hot sugar. Oh, come on, fire. Cooperate with me today. Make it look like I've never played with fire before. I just got maced by my own campfire. Okay. So I found you want just a little bit of char on these, but you don't want them blackened because they just taste like burnt bread when you got them blackened. But if they got a couple little black spots here and there on them, then it tastes kind of grilled. But it's a lot like carnival food. And these are more forgiving than the marshmallows too, so kids will probably like them a little better because they don't turn into fireballs instantly like a marshmallow does. Took a little bit of effort to catch it on fire actually. I tried one just to see how much it would take. To see if burnt donut holes are any good, and they are not, so stop it. Warmed up and a little bit charred. It ain't changing color much, but it is getting melty. That's a hotter fire. The marshmallow started to go. Okay, there you go. See, just a smidge of charred. Not much at all. And then it is really hot, so do not burn your hands on this. Let's see if that fits. Oh yeah, that'll go. If you're really patient, you could get 2 in there. Nice, that'll work. Nope, that's burnt. Don't put that part in. That just tastes like charcoal. Okay. So there it is. Roasted donut hole inside a roasted marshmallow. Let's get it all bite-size-ish. I think if you can practice your technique, yeah, you can see that. That's the preview screen right here. So yeah, if you can practice your technique, that totally works. All right. I feel like I'm like 10 years old. Just playing with fire and eating a bunch of sugar. Looking at a nice lake. Alright, I am going to call that a success. So I'm going to do that a few more times, but you get the point. You don't need to see the whole day of that. So yeah, to sum that up, get the giant roasted marshmallow, Get the outside crispy to make a cup. Cook your donut. Put the donut in the marshmallow, wrap it up. And I like that way better than s'mores. And it's less messy. I mean, there ain't hardly. Most of that's just from handling the firewood and the burnt marshmallow. There ain't hardly any mess at all. But I keep forgetting the lenses on my hat. But yeah, there you go. Cooking like a dude. Marshmallow donut holes. Bronx Stomper out.